Hey guys, what's up? So, I haven't made a video like this in a long time, but I'm gonna be doing it right now. Now, I am aware that the slime trend was over a long time ago, but I decided, why not do it again? Just because why not? I'm pretty sure it's better than some of the other boring videos that I made recently. So we're gonna be making slime, and if you ever want to do it, here's the stuff what you need, which you probably shouldn't do the way I do it because I made one slime video in my life and I did it wrong. 2 types of dye. You're gonna need some sort of bowl to mix it in. 1 container of Elmer's glue, 1 cup of room temperature water, 1 teaspoon borax, 2 spoons, which one of them is to mix up the borax and the bigger one is to mix up the slime. And you're gonna need like some kind of plate or something to mix up the the slime inside the bowl so I can build up. So to get started, just pour the whole container of glue into the bowl. That's satisfying. It's taking forever. So once you get all the glue out, you're basically going to want to fill this same container up with water and put it in here and then mix it up. Alright, so once you fill up that same container with water, you're going to want to pour it in. Oh wow, super good. And then obviously you are going to want to mix that up, and we'll just get rid of this crap. If you are looking for a DIY with a person who actually knows what they're doing, do not watch this video. Literally click off right now. Okay, now that I think that's mixed well, I'm going to put that aside. And what you're going to want to do is take your cup of warm water and then put the full teaspoon of borax into it. Okay, I think that's mixed well enough. Alright, so bring back this and put your dye colors in, which most people actually put dye colors in after the slime is made, but I find it harder to mix in well if you do that, so I like to put it in before I actually make this slime. So I'm gonna do some green in there. That's cool looking. Mix it up some more. Okay, so after stirring for about a continuous 15 minutes, so what you're going to want to do is pour your borax mixture into your glue mixture. So you're going to get rid of your spoon and put some in. And by the way guys, you want to pour your borax in until it clumps up to the right consistency one. So if you're looking for a really soft one, don't put it in a lot. And if you're looking for a firmer one, then put in a lot. Oh, yeah. I have zero interest in slime. Whenever I made it the first time, I was like, whoa, this is my new thing. And then I realized that I do not care at all. But this is the only thing that I really felt like doing anymore, so I was like, I have to. Alright, I'm gonna mix it up a little more. I think it's pretty good. I mean, I ain't mad. I'm gonna put this on the plate now and start massaging it because I think the consistency is good enough. Ugh, I have to use my hands. Oh my god. That is disgusting. Touching it just doesn't feel right to me. Alright, I'm gonna start massaging it. It's starting to come together, I can feel it. Oh guys, it's coming together, and it's starting to feel a lot stickier. Oh my god, I'm dying. And as you can see, it's quite sticky. See, it's stuck to my hands. I'm gonna put this thing back in this thing for a little bit longer. Okay, maybe that's good. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be just doing a bunch of ASMR because I'm pretty sure that's what you guys really want. But that's fine because that's the best part. So make sure you give this video a like, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And so here's your ASMR.